iOS 27 may completely overhaul the iPhone's camera app at the WWDC 2026. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. The biggest change Apple's making to the camera app is to make it more customizable. Rather than being stuck with the same interface, you can now change it by swapping individual widgets by a new Add Widgets tray. The app will also include more advanced options, like controls for depth of field, exposure, and the company's photo styles feature. Apple offers an easy way to tweak these settings on the iPhone by using the camera control button, but changing things from the touchscreen should be even easier. Apple's also adding new grid and level features while you're capturing images. Apple's also bringing some AI updates to the camera. Rather than having a separate interface for visual intelligence, you can only access it through the camera control. Apple's reportedly adding a new Siri mode to the camera app for accessing AI features that use the camera, like using image search or translating text. AI will reportedly power new photo editing tools too. Siri's changes are equally massive. Besides being smarter, the AI assistant is moving from the border of iPhones to a new home in the dynamic island. Users will also be able to type requests or searches through the new Search or Ask interface that's replacing iOS's existing Spotlight search. The interface will produce results shaped like cards, but can also launch into a chat interface for direct conversations with the new Siri. Siri can also tap into results from the web and supports voice input. There are some smaller changes as well. Apple will reportedly update Safari with a new start page, the Weather app will display more data, and the Image Playground app will be redesigned to be simpler to see. WWDC 2026 starts on June 8th, so more leaks are bound to be on the way. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.